Elon didn't build Tesla in a year to get to where it's at today. It's been 10 plus years of just grinding to where now the company's worth billions of dollars. It took a while, but he kept going, and he spent a lot of his own money to get there, right? So he didn't just practice what he was preaching to people about solar and Tesla and all that. It's like, no, no, no. The dude has been patient in achieving these things. He was practicing constantly, but he also did the third thing, which is he was very persistent. People tell him he couldn't do something, he kept going. Same thing with me. Oh, there's no way you can make this account scale to $1 million a month. Kept going, kept doing it, kept doing my thing until eventually it became a reality. There's no way that you can make this thing work. Kept going. I was persistent in the result. I just kept going until eventually one day it all clicked, and then things started to work out, right? So I find that all three of those things not only work really well as something to follow in business, it just works well in life. If I want to be in the best shape of my life, I know I got to practice eating better, and I need to practice exercising, and it needs to become a daily practice of doing these things over and over until it becomes a part of my day-to-day life. And I got to be patient with achieving the result I want to get to, whether it's losing weight or a certain health related measurement I want to achieve. And then I just got to be persistently doing those things. And so I find that the 3 P's, as I'll reference it, I just follow those things every single day for everything I do.